So, hello everyone. Welcome to the project of Elixirs of Rotract. I am Rotractor Anisha Rao.
And I'm Rotract Shrigwari, and we are the social media directors of Rotract District 3141.
So, to tell you about our initiative, Elixirs of Rotract, it is a platform where we interview people who have contributed a lot towards this organization.
And same has felt in their personal and professional lives as well. So today we have with us our beloved and the most bubbliest team secretariat of the council. Hello guys, how are y'all?
Hi.
Hi. So to begin with, I'm Rotractor Chaini Dedia.
Hi guys, this is Rotractor Richa Bhavsar.
Hi guys, this is Rotractor Rishabh Jogani.
Hi guys, this is Rotractor Vanita Mehta.
So, it's been a year, you have been selected into the Champions Council and it's been a crazy year. I just want to mention one thing, इस meetings के minutes लेने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, you can chill now.
हम तो ऑलरेडी बुक पेन लेके बैठे हैं.
Exactly.
तुमको आदत इतनी हो गई है अभी इस चीज की.
क्या करें
So to begin with the first question, Jenny is not a first year council member over here, but y'all are the first, other three are the first year council members. So कैसे लगा तुम लोग को जब y'all got selected into the council?
Very happy and excited.
Nervous.
Rishabh?
Again, very nervous but excited.
So, what about you, Jenny? Like, again, coming back to council, how was it?
So it was a quite different experience, I would say. Like the previous year, the whole year was on ground and things were different. And this year we have tried to adapt things according to the online things. So it's been quite exciting and quite a roller coaster ride, I would say.
Okay. So, what were the first impressions of each other? Like when you all got into the team, you got into the group. Starting with Jenny, impressions on each other.
So impressions on each other. Okay, so I never met Rishabh. Like I met Rishabh for the first time during I think pre-pets. So tabhi I didn't knew ki arey, like he was standing besides me and I didn't even knew ki arey ye Rishabh hai. So matlab I thought ki hoga, I don't know, like theek tha. But now we are good friends, very good friends, I would say. Then Richa I thought matlab
Yeah.
So Richa, I knew pehle se only. Like we were together in the sec team like 2 years back. So I know how she works and everything. So it was quite good. I know Vinita from last year. We both were the secretaries of the club and we had quite an interaction. So she's the sweetest, I would say, of all. Sorry.
ठीक है, मस्का मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है.
सच बोलते तो भी लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होता है.
ठीक है, वो ठीक है, हमें पता है क्यों मस्का मारा जा रहा है, बट ठीक है.
Okay. Richa, what about you?
So as Jenny said, I've already met her and we have worked together. So I know, like I knew her, but just as like joint sec and joint sec of the clubs, we were never like working together. So yeah, it is a great experience working with her. Speaking for Rishabh and Vinita, I met them for the first time at Minipets. Actually, while Jenny said, Rishabh was standing beside us and we were finding कि वो लड़का कौन है जो team में select हुआ है. And we didn't knew. And Rishabh was like, I'm Rishabh.
So true.
So yes, we three girls were standing and he was like lost. He came, he stood and he was like, क्या बोलूं अब मैं तीन लड़कियां. But I would say Rishabh was very quiet in the starting. And now he's like, he has no filters.
Exactly.
Speaking of Vinita, she is a sweetheart, I must tell. Like in the 1 year that I've known her, she has become one of the closest friends. I can share anything and everything with them. They are like my group.
And Rishabh?
अच्छा, तो my first impressions, firstly, बराबर, I met them at Mini Pets. Again, I didn't knew any of them. मतलब तीनों को I didn't knew stuff. मतलब from the past years, I knew Vinita and Jenny just because they were secretaries. तो मेरे को नाम से पता था कि they were secretaries of these clubs. But interaction उतना नहीं हुआ. तो again, Mini Pets पे I came to know कि भाई टीम में कितने लड़कियां हैं and कितने लड़के हैं. तो apparently the entire team was all of good. And yeah, the first impressions again, Jenny, Richa was very तभी भी एकदम ऐसा थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं, she was trying to be funny and in being involved and being herself एकदम Winnie Pets पे भी. And
I was not
बाकी तो
trying to be. I am funny.
हाँ हाँ
Oh please, oh
oh
please,
please
oh please.
debatable
Yeah, exactly. Very debatable.
हाँ एंड बाकी के भी मतलब दे वर वेरी स्वीट एकदम ऐसा सब लोग डरे हुए थे मिनी पेट्स पे कि भाई कौन है क्या करेंगे ये वो एंड ऑफ कोर्स स्पेशली मैं सबसे ज्यादा डरा हुआ था तभी बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट्स व्हिच आई हर्ड ड्यूरिंग द मिनी पेट्स बाकी तो it has been an amazing year and I couldn't have asked for a better team.
Oh.
Vinita, what about you?
Okay. So for first impressions for me, Jenny, I knew since a while, but like, yeah, she did not know me. I know her because she was my vertical head once upon a time when I was a community service director. So Jenny was my vertical head that time, and I just know her कि हाँ, she's the one जो सबसे छोटी height की है. So that's the memory that I remember from her कि पूरे टीम में से सबसे छोटा height वाला कौन है तो वो Jenny है. So that is like literally the first impression that I have for her. I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, Jenny, fine, okay, vertical head. That's all I remember for her. For Rishabh, same exactly as all of them said. Impression जैसा ये नहीं था, but yeah, pre-pets पे we were all waiting, mini pets पे, and we were finding कि कौन है ये, and while he was standing beside us and we did not know who Rishabh is, all we remember was the law, and he did not look anything like his release picture. So that's the reason why we couldn't understand who is he. And वो पूरा टाइम ऐसे ही like क्या हुआ बताओ क्या हुआ, and we were all talking and ये बस बाजू में ऐसे खड़ा था. तो yeah, same sweet. And Richa, as usual, bus Richa madam, drama. That's all that follows along with Richa. Is that I remember from day one, Richa है तो वहाँ पे drama है बस. Yeah.
Okay, so sweet of yours. So my questions, it's specifically to Rishabh over here. How did you feel over here being the alone male member in this entire secretariat team?
Firstly, I तो thought मैं जब भी देखा कि भाई टीम में there are 4 other girls and no guy, legit no guy. I was like कि भाई कि क्या, how will I survive? कि भाई क्या होगा, खा जाएंगे ये लोग मेरे को या तो. एंड नॉर्मली भी पहले से भी I don't speak इतना, मतलब of course to मतलब अगर to people I don't know, I stay in my bubble, मतलब इतना ज्यादा कुछ मैं बोलता नहीं हूँ. एंड उसके ऊपर से आई थॉट कि आई वुडंट हैव एनीवन टू रिलेट एनीथिंग विद, कि अरे कोई लड़का रहता मैं फुटबॉल क्रिकेट बात करके कुछ ना कुछ वो बेस मिल जाता मेरे को बात करने का. बट ऑल 4 ऑफ देम एंड नन ऑफ देम वॉच फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट कि मैं ऐसा बॉन्ड करूं.
But still, right now the case is completely opposite. He's the one who
तो
talks the most amongst all of us. He talks the most.
And we even cheer the team that Rishabh follows.
Yeah,
We
exactly.
cheer the team that
We
Rishabh
cheer.
follows while he's watching the match late at night. We stay
Match,
with him
and
on
that's why
video
we-
call just because he's watching the match.
Yes, exactly.
And
we
we
stay
have
with
seen
him
his
during.
all different types of mood and faces.
Yes, exactly. And we stay with him during
Like
on
was in a
video calls
football
while
team.
he's
I
watching
actually
his
have
match.
stickers of me reacting just to my football matches.
Yeah, that much amount of time we spend with him while
At
he's
2
watching his
a.m.
match.
At 2 a.m. sec call is happening and one end Rishabh is watching the match.
Yeah, but and we stay. We just look at him. He'll keep on giving commentary कि इसने ये गोल मारा, इसने ये किया, इसने वो किया.
टीम वर्क क्या टीम वर्क,
And
मतलब
still,
पसंद
we
नहीं तो भी
understand
कर रहे हैं.
nothing. And we understand nothing. We
एक
just
साल
know
हो
the
गया.
next day when his team has lost, we don't have to disturb Rishabh. Like if
Yeah,
उसका team
that's
हार
like a
गया है
known
तो भाई
rule.
उसको अकेला
अगर
छोड़
ऋषभ
दो.
का टीम उस दिन हार गया तो नेक्स्ट डे कोई बात नहीं करेगा ऋषभ से, दूर रहो.
दूर
Oh
रहो.
my God. कितना
हाँ,
प्रिविलेज है तेरे को ऋषभ, देख ले.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ग्रुप पे मैसेज आ जाता है ये हार गया है तो फिर ठीक है, बस दूर रहो.
So yeah, moving ahead. This year with the pandemic, you are, you guys, like the team has been the best friends with Zoom. The whole year, you made us compatible with Zoom. The people who are like not at all tech savvy, you all made them tech savvy कि ऐसे सीखो, वैसे सीखो, ऐसे rename करो, ऐसे घुसना होता है meeting में. So first of all, hats off for telling everyone that. Apart from this, how was your overall experience being a secretary, and how were the OCVs and the meetings and the events? Like, how did you all manage everything? Starting with Jenny.
So in the starting, I would say it was quite thoda difficult because even we were adjusting with everything that was around. Like we had to do everything online, including our trainings, which we were looking forward to. For example, our Pranali training, but that didn't happen obviously. So, but it was quite fun to tell others, teach others, and even learn for ourselves how to work around it, around everything actually. I remember in the start we used to send secretariat gyan, and we used to write Zoom ke upar notes ki अरे ऐसे करो वैसे करो, and even we were exploring other platforms as well. So I think it was quite versatile and everything. I would say, matlab it was good. Even we learned something new. In the initial stages, every Saturday we used to learn something new from others. Like we used to call Animesh for a session, and we used to ask him to teach us Excel sheets properly. And I think it was quite useful. It will obviously help us in our professional careers as well. So it was quite good. There were challenges, of course, but I think overcome it. We did it. I think we did justice to it.
Wow. Richa.
So when it comes to us and Zoom, it is like there was a time when we were never off Zoom. You see us at afternoon 2 p.m. or in the morning 2 a.m. We were always on Zoom. We had one meeting or the other always on. And that time there was like in starting only pro accounts had that long duration wala meetings, and we used to do 40 minutes meetings. So the moment the 40 minutes ends, you were like 1 minute pehle se chal meeting end hone wala hai, new link bhej rahi hu. Like that was the thing. And we would even join, for hours and hours we would be on Zoom. And yeah, as Jenny said, we have learned different platforms from different people, be it Animesh, be it Ojas. We have learned from them. We started with Google Meet. We went on to Zoom. We went on different platforms, but then we were like, we'll stick to Zoom for now, and we'll teach others also. So we explored everything that is on Zoom. We, sat on YouTube and search ki aur kya features hai Zoom mein. And then, we put it on the Secretariat Gyan, send it across to people. And we were like, agar rename nahi karoge, to nahi aane milega. No entry without renaming. And still we follow it. And I hope people rename and come in meetings.
Rishabh, what about you?
Okay, firstly, am I audible?
You are absolutely audible.
110% you're audible.
Yeah, this is something that we have done throughout the year. This managing attendance, asking people to rename themselves. So, starting talking about Zoom, so Zoom wasn't, Zoom was as new for everyone. That was for us also as well. मतलब हम लोग के लिए भी that was an equally new platform. We were exploring day by day. We were और ऐसा भी हुआ है कि for months we were doing certain things a certain way, but after that we found an more efficient way. कि अरे इससे तो काम और कम हो जाएगा. So, for example, like managing even attendance for 250 people, tracking everything. So we had come up with different systems. तो पहले हम लोग जो फॉलो कर रहे थे, फिर उससे भी बेटर सिस्टम मिला, फिर उससे भी बेटर सिस्टम मिला, एंड वी फाइनली फाउंड एक एकदम ऐसा प्रॉपर एफिशिएंट वे कि भाई इससे किया, इससे बेटर वे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. एंड देयर इज अनटिल एंड अनलेस Zoom हम लोग को आके डेटा देगा सामने से कि भाई ये सब ये है तो ही पॉसिबल है. So yeah, finding these new ways, new tips and tricks in Zoom was something that we love to explore. जैसे every Saturday we made it sure कि भाई we learn something new related to our field, related to secretariat, कि भाई that can make systems more efficient. So that was one of the major, I could say, goals for our team, कि we wanted things more done efficiently. So yeah, बाकी तो Zoom has been मतलब तभी भी था and अभी भी है. And I think we have set a reference point for other teams to follow, कि to do Zoom online, how to manage attendance, do secretariat हो. So we have created a reference point for कि भाई online भी कर सकते हैं हम, ऐसा नहीं है नहीं हो सकता. Also one more thing, Zoom के बारे में बात कर रहे थे तो रिचा मेंशन की ना स्टार्ट में कि we used to ऐसा 40 minutes में we used to come back, join again. तो one thing sadly I say कि भाई middle of the year से we got ऐसा I actually got ऐसा full ऐसा without limit वाला account on my student ID, and these people have abused it literally. ऐसा 24 hours वो account, that link is always on. I have to keep it on कि भाई अभी मीटिंग चालू हुआ, खत्म ही नहीं होता.
Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
Even Sri Gauri has like on its student ID, and I literally use it for everything. मैं वो किसी से भी बात करना, मैं श्री गौरी का आईडी मांग के यूज कर लूंगी.
नहीं, किसी से नहीं, ये दूसरे लोग से बात करे, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं बोलता हूँ आईडी पासवर्ड भी दे देता हूँ मैं इनको कि भाई मेरे पास आओ भी मत लिंक जनरेट करने के लिए, कर लो खुद ही.
हम सुमंस की हालत यही हो चुकी है.
Yeah, advantage of paying so much fees.
Okay, so next Vinita.
Okay, so yeah, as all three of them said, it's been different. So when we started off as a blank sheet, and it was new to us as well. None of us had actually used Zoom prior or something like that. Even we had to learn things and then pass it across to people. But yes, it's been very fruitful actually, because I remember, as Rishabh said and Richa also said, that we used to be on calls for straight 6 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours together, and we used to be like, all of us are doing same thing or working on the same thing together and finding out information. That time we were in process of getting Pranali as well. So many things were there together. So like that first 2 quarters that I remember very well, it used to just be us finding something new, finding something more interesting, because obviously Zoom was something which was new for everyone, and getting like literally Rotractors to Zoom, Interactors, Rotarians, everyone to Zoom and acquaint them was a big task. It literally was, and till date there are times when we have to be for meetings, we have to sit for calls, we have to be like, ये करो, ये करो, ये करो, ये करो, तो ही होगा. But yeah, overall, the year has been amazing, because on a personal level as well, all of us have learned something new, which people would have not expected us to learn from Secretariat as an avenue. It's not just been reporting or databasing or management. It's been way more than that for all of us on an individual level also, because we've grown so much, and because we've developed way new skills that would be helpful for us in future as well. So yeah, mast tha yaar.
So apart from this, as we all did with Zoom, how did the idea come up about hybrid OCVs and even online OCVs? How did you all think it will work or not work? What were you tensed about it? OCVs is like secretariat thing. How was it? How is it actually? It's going on. So how's it going on?
OCVs, oh God. Oh, we remember since almost November start, that's when we actually sat down to decide what do we want to do. And within a week, we were ready. And we were like, let's just wait till Jan se on-ground OCVs karenge, kuch bhi ho jaye. On-ground, matlab on-ground OCVs. And that week, we released the calendar for OCV and all of that with admin team. And the next thing you know, you are not opening up for OCVs. To get clubs to get or get used to online OCVs. But yeah, actually, there's something new that we did. Each OCV that we do this year has a lot of new aspects. It's not just your basic OCV. There are many upliftments and many new innovations that we've got to an OCV, which is something which makes it a little bit more interesting for the club's board of directors and core team members to sit for the OCV. So yeah, OCVs have been amazing, and tomorrow as well and day after we have like a lot of OCVs lined up after this.
Yeah. So one more thing about the secretariat is the 11/11 broadcast. So who came up with that idea and like जो तुम्हारा पेटेंट डायलॉग्स रहता है ऊपर ऊपर जो तुम डालते हो जिससे लोग शॉक हो जाते हैं the clickbait titles which have annoyed me also. So who came up with the idea?
हुआ है.
So annoyed with that, I remember.
So who came up with it? What was the idea behind it? 11/11 ही क्यों?
11/11 I actually don't think कि मतलब someone ऐसा individually came up with. It was something that ऐसा conversation में brought ऐसा हुआ and we decided कि
just happened. Yeah, it just
let's
happened.
try it.
Actually,
Let's
I
try
remember
it.
we were deciding कि मतलब कभी डालना है. The first day when the broadcast was supposed to go, we were deciding कि कौन से time पे suitable रहेगा कि everyone would remember it also and check it daily. So we came up with this 11/11 thing.
And as such कोई ये नहीं था. Yeah, one person came up with it. It just happened in a conversation.
And it continued. मेरे को नहीं लगा था इतना चलेगा.
It's same. None of us had expected that we'll stick to that 11/11 like throughout the year.
And it was like कि continue हुआ, like ऐसा quarter continue हुआ, तो अब ऐसा जान पे आता है कि अभी नहीं हुआ, अभी तो करना ही है.
Exactly, like मतलब you're being remembered by that. अभी 11/11 हुआ, अभी तक broadcast नहीं आया, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. Like उस दिन WhatsApp was down and we all were like, damn यार, इनका broadcast guy, Shri Gauri just
at that time.
Shri Gauri just made a content out of it.
मैं दबा दिया था send सब में broadcast list में. It didn't go only. I called everyone up कि भाई किधर क्यों नहीं गया है?
That day we were on the Zoom meeting, साथ में.
हाँ, we all were on the Zoom meeting.
So I messaged Shri Gauri saying कि यार down हो गया, कुछ करते हैं content सोचते हैं. She was like अरे यार best है अपना secretary का broadcast नहीं है, इस पे content बनाएंगे हम लोग, यही करते हैं, इनका कुछ तो होगा करके उस हिसाब से.
Yeah. Coincidentally, that day we were on a call together. We were in another meeting and all of us were literally working. And अचानक से it happened. I'm like, WhatsApp जा नहीं रहा है, broadcast नहीं जा रहा है, 2 minutes. And मतलब we usually 11/11 ही हो जाता है. Send कभी एक बार 11/12 हो जाए कभी. 11/13/14 हो गया, ये message ही नहीं जा रहा है, क्या है ये, क्यों? It was so crazy. I remember that day.
And even I remember with regards to one instance where me and Vinita were on a call for a particular thing, to discuss about one thing. And I remember Rishabh उधर पीछे से एकदम ऐसा TikTok कर रहे TikTok पीछे से reminder देते जा रहा है 1 minute 2 minute को जल्दी message भेजो.
So apparently they had to send me the broadcast which I have to send.
Yeah. So there's a thing that we do with our broadcast. So our broadcasts, usually whenever we make them or whoever makes the broadcast for that day or this, all the others approve it. So if they don't like the content, then something gets changed. So
it gets rejected.
It gets rejected, and all of us then come up with something good together. So then if one person rejects it or doesn't say GG on it, so it doesn't go. Then you have to think of something like literally at the last minute.
That is our approval term, GG.
Yeah, GG.
Oh my God.
Term.
This is one thing that I have brought to the team.
Yeah. Oh shit. That's literally GGWP is Rishabh. It reads Rishabh.
That term has rubbed off him. He's like every time he'll put GGWP.
And because of him, all of us have gotten so used to it. We're like, GG. ठीक है.
We use it in other groups also, and then they ask us what is the meaning of this.
GG, exactly.
एक second, I'll just mention this incident. Richa knows this incident. So these clickbait titles you put. I got this was like the worst embarrassing thing that happened with me. So मैं नोटिफिकेशन से देखती हूँ. So I was in a meeting with social media directors, and it was our first online meeting. We were just chilling and everything. She must have told you. So that time it was an ongoing thing यार कि लॉकडाउन होने वाला है. तो I really thought the message read as 29, 30, 31st लॉकडाउन होने वाला है February. So obviously there are no such days in February, and I just blindly read that कि it's going to be lockdown for 3 days, and I mentioned in the meeting as well कि अभी 3 दिन lockdown होने वाला है, so मिलने तो होने नहीं वाला, कर्फ्यू लग जाएगा. And उधर पीछे से श्री गौरी just shouted, dude, just read the whole broadcast, man. They are just sending a clickbait message. ऐसा कोई दिन होता नहीं है, तो क्या पढ़ रही है? And मेरे को जो embarrassment हुआ वहाँ बाकी के directors पढ़े, and I'm like, shit, मैं क्या read कर रही हूँ, क्या हो रहा है? And उसके बाद I messaged Richa saying, oh my god, guys, clickbait का भी हद होता है. I literally thought lockdown हो रहा है.
She literally
the way
got
she laughed.
Galis, ki what are you sending? I got afraid and all. That's the
emails पढ़े ना आपने, बस ठीक है, हमारा काम हो गया.
That's the essence of a message, is that you click on it and read it. And speaking of being habitual, not only just for like emails and broadcasts, you're habitual to like the team also. So I remember there was a time when everyone had their exams and things going on in their personal life. So what we used to do, Rishabh ka meeting is on 24/7. I'm telling you, the link is on. So we used to keep the meeting on and then do our own work. Even though we are not talking, the meeting is on. And we can
all
see
four of us are there together.
Yeah.
We're all four of us are doing different things. Yeah, but we're just there together with each other. We're like, हाँ, बस तो सामने है.
Just because we miss each other, you are like, नहीं meeting करते हैं, and now that we are doing our own stuff and the meeting is on.
So moving ahead, the next question to y'all is, as we are moving towards the end of the year, so what's the one, and y'all are very well versed with each other. I mean, like looking at this entire conversation until now, y'all are very well versed with each other. So what's the one thing which y'all like about each other, and the one thing which y'all get annoyed about each other? Richa?
I'll start with Jenny. One thing I really like about her that she's straightforward. उसको अगर कुछ भी मन में होगा, she'll tell. She'll not ऐसे look behind. And second thing that I don't like Jenny is that even when she is sick, like literally on her bed, when her doctor has told her not to work, she will come and work.
Very true.
Everyone will agree. And Vinita is not less. Okay, I'll tell you. One good thing about her is she's the sweetest person. I'll tell you. She, like, you tell her that मुझे ये काम है, भले वो personal भी क्यों ना है, road track का भी नहीं, personal भी क्यों ना हो, she will do it. And the second thing that I don't like about her is like she doesn't know how to say no. Okay, she'll not say no to anyone, be it for whatever. She'll just say yes, I'll do it. Yes, हो जाएगा, ठीक है. She doesn't say no to people when she should have. And we have told her this so many times, but she doesn't listen to us. So that's the thing I don't like about her. Coming to Rishabh, one thing I like about him is like he's very supportive. He's very encouraging. I'll tell you one thing about Rishabh is like when there was Women's Day, so he sent us everyone like personal emails at 12:12. He was awake. He sent us personal emails at 12:12.
And this is not the first time he's done this. This is not the first time he's done this.
This is not the first time. He sent us messages randomly, send us emails randomly, just to make sure our day is going well. So that's the thing I like about her. And one thing I don't like about him is like he doesn't skip classes for us, yaar. Because of him, we are not able to meet. He doesn't meet us. I've met him only like once or twice in the whole year. Like physically, I've met him only twice in the whole year.
Yeah, I've seen these pictures. Like I have seen these pictures where कोई ना एक तो मिसिंग रहेगा ही वो पिक्चर में. पूरा पांचों मिलना like काफी रेयर था वो.
काफी रेयर.
Yeah, moving ahead with Rishabh.
Okay, one thing I like about Jenny, she has been very supportive. मतलब we have become very ऐसा अलग ही लेवल वाले फ्रेंड. हम लोग का tangent चल रहा है throughout the year. And it has been मतलब ऐसा crazy ups and downs. हम लोग एकदम ऐसा झगड़ा भी एकदम कुछ भी बातों पे करते हैं, फिर कुछ भी बातों पे we start ऐसा talking about everyone else. And one thing I tell you about everyone, I have different tangents with everyone, and our group has a different tangent altogether. So it's really fun to have such amazing friends in the team. One thing I don't like about Jenny, she is very blatant about anything. ऐसा दिल पे ऐसा मार देगी, कुछ भी ऐसा comment, किसके भी बारे में, not regarding to ऐसा रोट्रैक्ट वर्क हो या कुछ भी पेंडिंग वेंडिंग हो, ऐसा सीधे सीधे बोल देगी. एंड मतलब सोचना चाहिए ना, सामने कोई है. सामने कोई है. हाँ, coming to Richa मतलब always she has been मतलब someone who has always been positive throughout. मतलब her positiveness has affected us throughout the year कि भाई कि है रिचा है, मतलब इतनी खुशी हमेशा रहती है. मतलब when we are together it brings out कि हम लोग भी अगर सैड रहते हैं या we are having a low day, तो रिचा comes up and मतलब कुछ भी उसका she is the entertainment factor of RID 3141. हमारा ग्रुप नहीं, हमारा group is very small for Richa. हमारा group is a very small area for Richa. Richa के पास एकदम ऐसा has bigger problems in life. Coming to one thing I don't like about Richa कभी कभी गायब हो जाती एकदम ऐसा. मतलब you can't contact her, she phone switch off, सब Wi-Fi net issues तो है ही already. एकदम गायब. एंड एवरीवन इज एकदम ऐसा आग लगी पड़ी है सब जगह, कौन किधर है, ये किधर है, वो किधर है.
Wait, I'll mention the perfect thing. आग लगी बस्ती में, अपन अपनी मस्ती में.
हाँ, एग्जैक्ट यही होता है रिचा के साथ. Coming to Vinita is, as mentioned, one of the sweetest persons you will ever meet. मतलब ऐसा, मतलब हम लोग we call her ऐसा भगवान for a reason. So Vinita has a nickname in our team.
Sure, she's supposed to stay a secret. Huh.
And she is really sweet, supportive, caring, and not for मतलब just us, for the world as a whole. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई आके विनीता को कुछ बोला. And again जो रिचा ने बोला कि one bad thing about her, she can't say no. ऐसा हम लोग को जाके बोलना पड़ता है, बस कर मर जाएगी, इतना काम मत कर.
भगवान वाला आई वुड एग्री. लाइक कुछ भी लाइक ऐसा कभी कभी ऐसा इंसिडेंट्स होता है, वी टेक्स्ट हर एंड शी विल बी लाइक द सेवियर फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. लाइक कुछ भेजा एंड थैंक गॉड इसने ये भेजा वापस, एंड लाइक सच्ची में वैसा. हाँ, वरना क्या होता करके. या सो मूविंग ऑन विद विनीता. Oh,
Jenny, you want to go? Okay. Okay. So the one thing that I love about Richa is her attitude towards life. She's like, जैसे है, like let's live in the present, let's enjoy whatever we have right now without thinking way too much of the future. She just wants to complete the day with happiness, and that energy, the vibe that she has around her, it makes you forget everything. It literally makes you forget everything. You call up Richa, you can tell her literally anything and you'll be like, हाँ बस बोल दिया तो खत्म. So it's that vibe, that energy that Richa carries is the best thing about her, and no one can beat that about her at all. One thing that I don't like about Richa or that is she's never on time. First, she's never on time. You have to tell her half an hour prior as a time to meet if you have to meet her. That is one very annoying thing about Richa. Like कुछ भी हो जाए, दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए, हम मेरे RST से भी बदतर टाइमिंग है उसका, इतना खराब टाइम जोन में वो जीती है. तो yeah, that is very annoying. She's never on time. So that is one thing. Then about Jenny, something that I love about Jenny is Jenny is very understanding when it comes to things, and she's open to hear, she's open, whenever you need someone to talk to or you need someone to confide in, Jenny is your person. She is like that secret बोल दिया खत्म, बाहर नहीं जाएगा, कितना भी कर लो तुम लोग, that just stays with Jenny. It's going to go till the grave. So yeah, Jenny knows a lot of stuff, a lot. So yeah, that's something. She's super trustworthy. Yeah, she's super trustworthy. And the thing that I don't like about Jenny is that so it happens at times that कुछ भी बोलो हम Jenny को, Jenny ends up forgetting. Jenny will be like, ये बोला था या ये हुआ था. She just ends up forgetting randomly out of nowhere. She'll be like, ये कब हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ. I'll be like, Jenny, हुआ, ये ऐसे हुआ, बराबर हुआ. So yeah, that is one thing that sometimes becomes a little bit annoying at times. And about Rishabh, something that I love about him is that he's very patient. He understands situations very well. He has tremendous amount of patience to deal with everything and all the crap that you throw at him. And yeah, he's as a go-to person whenever it comes to anything. He's up for, he'll be like, ठीक है चल बाद में ये करेंगे, पहले ये करते हैं, ये ज़्यादा important है. So he's up for anything that you tell him. He'll be like, chal theek hai. He gives that amount of priority. He gives that amount of importance. So that is something that I love about Rishabh. And something that I don't like about him is he never listens to us. He never, मतलब उसको कितना भी हम बोल दे कि भाई, मतलब about his health or about his studies or anything, he'll be like, ऋषभ मत कर अभी, ये मत कर, it can wait. नहीं, अभी तो अभी. Like वो अपनी बात पे इतना डट जाता है, कोई चीज को इतना चिपक के बैठ जाता है, उसको ऐसा वो चीज से निकालना is a task. It's literally a task. Like छोड़िए topic. He just keeps spinning on it so bad that you'll get annoyed with it. So yeah, that is my team. Jenny?
अच्छा ठीक है, then I'll start with Richa. The good thing about her is like she never gives up. Okay, मतलब you throw crap at her, मतलब कितना भी okay, कितना भी कुछ भी बोल लो, मतलब she'll never give up. मतलब she'll have a smile on her face and she'll do it. कभी कुछ नहीं बोलेगी. And annoying thing I would say, there are times when उसकी priorities अलग होगी. She'll be like, अरे आज क्या पहनना है, आज क्या बोलना है, मतलब हमारा कुछ अलग काम रहेगा. रिचा ना, she'll be like, उसके अलग ही problems होंगे. But I think it's cute. Then about Rishabh, I would say, as mentioned earlier, we have different tangent. We have a different whole story. How we started as a friend and how we are right now. So I think he's been a great friend to me more than a teammate. And he's, as Vinita said, he's your go-to person for anything. कुछ भी हो, even if it's related to work, yeah, you know, random things. Okay, random things. मतलब he'll be there, he'll listen, he'll give his थोड़ी टिप्पणी. And the annoying thing I would say, because of our past एक दो incidents छोटू मोटू, I would say कि वो he'll sometimes, you know, in the heat of the moment, he'll be like, नहीं मुझे यही करना है. He'll act as a child, okay? Like नहीं मुझे यही करना है, मैं ऐसे ही करूँगा. He won't listen only. So that is one. Vinita.
एक ही पूछा.
Yeah, वैसे if you tell us ना, हम अगर mood में, we can give each other की लंबी list for both of these things.
नहीं बोल ले.
Yeah, मतलब अभी ठीक है, flow में हो जाता है. Okay.
बराबर.
About Vinita.
अरे मेरा complete तो कर.
I would say मतलब
मेरा turn है.
हो गया, syllabus हो गया.
हाँ, बस हो गया.
About Vinita, good thing about Vinita is मतलब she'll always be there for you, no matter what. मतलब कुछ भी हो, अरे मैं करती हूँ, अरे तो टेंशन मत ले. Even if अगर like in the team if we are feeling low कि अरे यार नहीं करना, छोड़ना, क्यों करना है, she'll be the one कि नहीं guys please ऐसा नहीं करते, let's do this. And she's been very supportive throughout for every one of us. I won't go into detail, but yeah. And annoying thing I would say, उसको ना बोलना नहीं आता. Okay, that is one thing. She won't listen to you. उसको बोलेंगे कि अरे, उसको धमकी देनी पड़ती हो कि like literally तो ये अगर ये तो टीम से ये मीटिंग से निकलेगी नहीं ना, तो तुझे ग्रुप से हाँ निकाल देंगे kind of thing.
And they do that.
हाँ, we do that because वो सुनती नहीं है. She हाँ. So that is
because you don't listen.
हाँ.
We'll take it off.
Very bad.
So as we come to the end of the session, one last round, we'll play a very famous game that is Never Have I Ever. We'll be giving you situations. You just have to show your placard if you have done it or not done it. So let's begin.
Yes.
For y'all is, never have I ever received a warning letter from Sergeant.
सब बोले, कुछ नहीं किया किसी ने कभी.
नहीं.
इतने बोल रहे हो?
Yes, भेजे
है
हम
अब.
करते हैं पर छुप के करते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली वो बाहर
Smart
निकल
Don't
नहीं
make it
आता.
official.
Yes.
ये सीखने लायक है.
सीख लो सब लोग सेक्रेटरी को देख के
One
कि
of our many talents, you know.
Oh ho ho.
Going on to next question. Never have I ever submitted a report after deadline and claimed that I have submitted it on time.
ओ माय गॉड, मेरे को सच्ची में लगा एक तो ऐसा किया रहेगा यार. नेवर.
नहीं हम अच्छे.
डेडिकेशन.
We are true to our work.
Yeah. लेट रिपोर्टिंग
True to
नहीं
our
करने का. अर्ली रिपोर्टिंग करो. ऑन
We
टाइम
do what
रिपोर्टिंग.
we preach. Okay, we do
Yes.
what we preach. And
बरोबर.
किया है तो बोल देने का. इसमें क्या शर्माने का.
हाँ
हाँ.
वही.
इंसान है, सब होता है.
इंसान है.
इंसान है.
Our only excuse is हम इंसान है.
हम
गलती
इंसान
होती
है.
है.
So the next one is okay. Never have I ever wanted to hit my president for listening to his demands, his or her demands.
एक मिनट.
Never.
ऋषभ changed his card. ऋषभ changed his card. Okay.
प्रेसिडेंट ना गो मिथिल.
क्या गो मिथिल मत कर. ठीक है. इधर ऋषभ changed his card very clearly. If you
Hey,
scroll
which
through-
president? Which
सच
president?
बोलता है.
Any president.
ऋषभ
Aniket
बोला है.
also.
Any
कितने president हुए तेरे पास? मिथिल ही हुआ
बहुत
ना.
सारे. हाँ तो मिथिल.
मिथिल
तो
हुआ ना
मिथिल के
count
लिए.
तो.
मिथिल के लिए never. What
सच
about
बोलना
Aniket?
है.
हाँ.
Aniket?
अनिकेत के लिए भी नेवर. अनिकेत इज अनिकेत.
हाँ.
वाह.
तो डिस्क्वालीफाई
तो
करो.
मारो फाइट
Listen,
सीखो.
this is
अभी
cheating. वो सिर्फ ऐसे ही
हिट के
बोल
लिए
रहा
मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर स्टेटमेंट दूंगा.
है.
ठीक है. Last question. Never have I ever flirted with a president or secretary in the name of clearing doubts.
बेसिक.
No.
हाइला. सबने झूठ बोला है, सबने.
But you know what? People have done that to us.
Yes.
In the name of
so
clearing doubts.
many. So
No
many.
comments.
ठीक है. So with this, we come to the end of our episode. It was lovely to have you all, and we really thank Team Sec for their hard work, dedication, and everything. And the respect we have is too much. So thank you for being such a great support to Rotaract District 3141. Thank you for joining, and everybody, thank you for viewing this episode and coming till this far. So signing off, Team Social Media. Until next time. Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.